Hello, this is Les Walklingen. Welcome to our studio in this short presentation on correctly printing printer profiling test charts through Mirage Print. Launch Mirage and then navigate to the test chart you intend to print. In this case, I'll be printing our A3 combined TC1748 RGB test chart. Drag the test chart file onto Mirage Print and select Leave As Is to ensure the test chart, which contains no embedded profile, is correctly printed without any transformation. Clicking OK loads the test chart into Mirage. First select the correct printer, or install your printer so that it can be selected. And if needed, in Settings, create a custom media for the media you're printing on. In this case, I'm printing on our Epson P20000 printer, and the base media type will be Premium Luster 260, as I'm printing on a semi-gloss media. Name the setting appropriately. Click OK and OK, and then select the correct custom media. I'm printing to an A3 cut sheet and need to ensure the test chart is scaled to 100%. Also center the test chart in the printable area and double check you are printing in profile creation mode to ensure the non-color managed print path. Please verify that the black registration bars are not clipped and also that no patches are cropped in the final print. Clicking the print button completes the process. The combined test chart print can be trimmed into 2 A4 pages for easier packaging and sending, along with your printer settings. For more details, please see the profiling instructions included with our printer profiling test charts. I hope this has been both informative and helpful, and wish you all the best with your adventures in printer profiling.